Issue position. Get ready for pledge. Take position. India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are.
And all Indians are
My brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my country. I shall to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Come back to issue position. Assembly standing.
Morning everyone. Try but don't try. I repeat my thought. Try but don't cry. Percy Cadet Navraj Singh Bora, SSG 6.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vanstulia, Class 8. Today's news headlines are as follows. Some international news. Body of Israel soldiers 19 killed in Hamas attack held in Gaza army. Second, Russia premier from new offensive in Ukraine in May says Zelensky. Some national news. INLD Haryana president and his acquaintancy shot death. Second, absconding of for 22 years SIMI operative hand arrived by Delhi police. Some sports news first. FIH hockey pro rally Manpreet Singh in attacking role as India put for past Ireland. Second, WPL 2024 Hampshire makes it into Mumbai India's totaliest. Gujarat gets back to chasing games. Thank you and a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anthony. Today I study in class 5th. My today's topic is natural resources. Resources that are down from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. The air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, and the soils, minerals are all natural resources. Many of their resources are free gifts of nature and can be used directly. In some cases, tools and technology may be needed to use the natural resources in the best possible way. Natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today's word of the day is artisan. Hindi name Karigar, meaning artisan. Sentence: artisan work hard. Percy Cadet Navraj Singh Bora, SSG 6.
Assembly, attention. Get ready for national anthem.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Slogan, take position. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Come back to initial position. Management staff break off. Teaching staff break off. Office staff break off. All cadets about turn.